This truck is a 1972 Chevrolet, started off life as a long bed half ton. It was the same color combination as it's currently. It's been all refreshed and repainted, but also we shortened the box down to a short box. And it's sitting on a Roadster Shop RS4 chassis, which is a pretty amazing off-road chassis that has some very high-end components that we'll show in a video. This is Ryan. He does most of the chassis sales here at MetalWorks. You'll probably talk to him on the phone if you call about a chassis. Great kid, knows a lot about these chassis and the trucks, and I'm gonna let him talk about this pickup.
So what we got here is a 72 Chevy pickup on a Roadster Shop RS4 chassis. This chassis, pretty innovative in the fact that it runs a modern coilover air bump suspension, a lot like what you'll see in a lot of off-road cars today. Very smooth ride. Has a Dana 44 front end, Curry 44 with a Curry Dana 60 rear, LT4 motor, 4L80 transmission with an Atlas 2-speed transfer case. Just something that is a all-around killer driving, killer handling truck with a very timeless, old school look. Under the hood of this truck, we have a 640 horse GM wet sump LT4. It has a Wagner Performance front accessory drive, gives you all of your water pump, alternator, AC compressor, really integrates that into an older hot rod situation like this. Running a Hydro Boost setup for the brakes and steering, really gives you that modern truck feel, nice firm pedal. Ron Davis radiator with the heat exchanger plumbed in for all of your supercharged situation that you're running there. Hand-built intake tube, PSC steering reservoir. All in all, just a really killer package. It's gonna give you a good power. Again, 640 horsepower, and just a very reliable combination that you could drive daily and enjoy. Gonna go drive our 72 full build RS4 four-wheel drive Chevy pickup. This thing is absolutely a joy to drive over an old leaf spring truck. The coilovers, the air bumps, just really makes it have a feel of a modern pickup and something that you could drive and enjoy. Good mileage, modern overdrive transmission. Just really is a blast. The power of the LT4 on this thing just makes it effortless. Barely tow into it and it moves. It's gonna be a fun truck. One benefit on the RS4 chassis is having that Dana 60 in the back. That Curry Dana 60 is gonna hold that power. Has the posi, everything that you need to really put it down and not worry about breaking it. The Dana 44 in the front, gonna work really well also. For a four-wheel drive pickup, that moves pretty well. Overall, just a really killer truck with a great chassis, great GM performance motor package, something that you can, again, really drive and enjoy, and isn't a buckboard like an old leaf spring truck. These things really, really are refined.